Unlocking your photography potential. Are you a Central University student aspiring to add a valuable skill and also kickstart your own business? Hi, I'm Anochi Glenn Chum, a fifth-year pharmacy student and an award-winning photographer with 4 years of experience, and I'm here to guide you into the world of photography. Join me. Why photography? Photography is a skill needed everywhere in this world, and it's easy to learn, and it's also easy to earn some income from it. Starting next semester, 17th of March, we are going to embark on this exciting journey into the world of photography, and I want to see you there. Why choose our course? Our course is specifically designed for students like you and I, factoring the student academic calendar, student lifestyle, timetables all in play. And our course is the most affordable yet most insightful course ever made in photography. Personal coaching. I'm going to be your personal tutor throughout the whole of this course. And remember, I've been like you, I've been where you are, and I believe I'm the best person to guide you through this journey. Creativity expression is an avenue for you to express your creativity in photography. Community engagement. This is a place where you can link up with like-minded peers in the world of photography, collaborating and networking with other peers with the same vision. Entrepreneurship insight. This course is going to teach you how to use your passion in photography to also generate some income and also kickstart your own business. Practical learning. You are going to have a hands-on practical session in this photography aside the theoretical aspect of photography. Personal coaching. Flexibility in learning. We've considered the student's academic lifestyle, our timetable, and our academic calendar all into play. And this course is not going to interrupt your academic stuff. What to expect? This course is going to be a theory and a practical course. Starting from introduction to photography, the history of photography, cameras, camera lenses, and the theoretical aspects in photography. Moving on to mobile photography, how to capture nice looking photos with just your mobile device. Camera handling, how to handle camera gadgets and camera accessories. Composition techniques, learn the secrets in capturing stunning images. Image processing and image mastery, learn how to bring raw photos to life. AI in photography, learn how to use the power of artificial intelligence to push your photography skills tenfold. Pricing. This course is going for just 500 cedis for students, 800 cedis for non-students, and 1000 cedis for one-on-one classes. And these prices is for the early bird package, which ends on 1st March. Certificates will be awarded after completion to acknowledge your newfound skills. Exclusive bonuses. Free installation of Adobe Creative Apps, Photoshop, Lightroom, and any other app. Free office installation, free plugins, free access to a whole lot of graphic design materials, and free starter pack for all level 100s for their matriculation photo shoots. And also, you will also be working with the best students in this course. This is an opportunity for all. Opportunity for you to tell your story. Opportunity for you to tell your memory. Opportunity to turn your passion into an income. Opportunity I don't want you to miss. Join us and don't let this chance slip away. I want to see students do more than just academics. Enroll now. Use the link in our bio or in comment section. Or contact us on 059 602 3336. Capture the moment. Capture your future. J-Star Learn to Earn. Vision with J-Star Multimedia. Stay blessed. Thank you.